So I built a Lego Apple Store in just a few hours, and here's what it looks like. This Lego model was built to fit the modern architecture style. On the base plate, I built a usual light and dark gray sidewalk. And on the exterior of the Apple Store, it has that modern light gray facade with the almost invisible sliding doors that Apple is known for. Inside there are a few display tables with a bunch of Apple products such as Macs, iPhones, and even accessories. And speaking of accessories, Moft makes some of the best tech accessories out there. Moft has these slim wallets that fit up to 3 cards and can act as 3 different phone stands, thanks to the MagSafe compatibility. I especially love the sienna brown colorway of this product. Moft also has a carry sleeve to protect your MacBook and store a few items in the side sleeves. The origami-like design allows the sleeve to act as a laptop stand on the go. These products are amazing, you can get them in the link in the description. Next to the Apple Store, there is also a Starbucks in the making. As this is a construction project, there are many miscellaneous bricks and plates, and there are a few construction workers on site as well. And that's about it for this mock, and I'll see you in the next one.